Honorable Director Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, other worthy teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, Anu.
My name is Anu from the class 7th Competency Standard, and today I am here for the speech and my topic is atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a huge blanket of air known as atmosphere. It consists of several gases and it also protects us from the harmful UV radiation of the sun. It also protects us from the harmful UV radiation of the sun. It has several gases in which nitrogen and oxygen are most plentiful gas. Now we will discuss nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide point by point. Nitrogen 78%. It is used by plants in making proteins, but the plants directly not take nitrogen from the atmosphere. Some bacteria are present in the plant roots which convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the soluble compound and then taken by the plant. Oxygen. It is the second plentiful gas. The amount of oxygen in the atmosphere is 21%. It is green plants produce it as the result of photosynthesis. The plant take carbon dioxide and make food with the help of carbon dioxide and water, and oxygen is the waste product of photosynthesis which is taken by the humans and animals. Carbon dioxide present at 0.03%. It is present in the small amount. It is used by the green plants in the process of photosynthesis by the help of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. They make their food and give the oxygen which is taken by the animals. Now plants and animals are dependent upon each other by the several gases, such as plant give oxygen to the animals which is important for breathing and burning, and in return humans and animals give carbon dioxide to the plants through which they make their food. Now, we will discuss structure of the atmosphere. The earth is divided into the 5 layers. The first layer is troposphere. It is the very important layer. The average height of troposphere is 13 km. Stratosphere. It consists of ozone layer which protect us from the harmful UV radiation of the sun. The average height of stratosphere is 18 km. Now, the mesosphere. The average height of mesosphere is 80 km. It is the thinnest layer of the atmosphere. Thermosphere. The average height of thermosphere is 80 to 400 km. The temperature rises very rapidly in the thermosphere. Exosphere. It is the toppest layer of the exosphere of the atmosphere and it is the thinnest layer. Weather and climate. Weather is a short-term state. It can be hot, cold, wet, dry and day-to-day, hour-to-hour. Climate. The weather dramatically changes for a long time. It is known as the climate. Now temperature. The measure of hotness or coldness of a body is defined as the temperature. This is all from my side. I hope you all like it. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.